Lesson number 11. First meeting. Now we'll take a small break and will not learn any new grammar chapter. So, in this lesson, we will know how to talk to a person when we meet with him for the first time. But before that, let's revise the previous lesson and solve the exercise. We learned that the possessive pronouns have a different meaning other than uska, uski, mera, tera, unka, etc. And that is apna, apne, apne, apna, apni, apne. We will use these three meanings for his, her, their, your, my and our without any difference. We will use these meanings according to the same rules which we learned in uska, uski and uske. We use possessive pronouns in these meanings when we talk about something and that thing refers to the same person, but there should not be a subject. And now the exercise time.
Hello guys, so now we are going to start our homework. I hope that you have completed your homework. Okay, so this homework is about lesson number 10 and this is related to additional meaning of possessive pronoun and also demonstrative pronouns. Okay, so the first sentence is I was in that office. So I was in that office. How will you say? We will say in Urdu, मैं उस दफ्तर में था और थी. मैं उस दफ्तर में था और थी. Okay, so I means मैं, was means था थी. If you are a male, you will say मैं था. If you are a female, you will say मैं थी. Okay, so in that office, उस दफ्तर में. So that office means actually वो office. But because of preposition in, we have changed wo into us. Okay, so here we will say I was in that office. मैं उस दफ्तर में था और थी. But if you say मैं वो दफ्तर में था, if you do not say us, if you say मैं वो दफ्तर में था, it will be wrong. So I was in that office. How will you say? We will say मैं उस दफ्तर में था और थी. मैं उस दफ्तर में था, or as a female मैं उस दफ्तर में थी. Okay guys, and the next sentence is my book in your bag? Is my book in your bag? So here we will say क्या मेरी किताब तुम्हारे बैग में है? क्या मेरी किताब तुम्हारे बैग में है? Okay, so here my book means मेरी किताब. This is possessive pronoun. My book, मेरी किताब. Okay, because book is female, kitab is female, that is why we told here meri kitab. And here we do not say apni kitab. Kya apni kitab? Why? Because my book, it has been used as a subject here. Okay, and there is no any preposition. So is my book, kya meri kitab tumhare bag mein, in your bag hai, is. So but the book in the meaning of kitab, it is singular, that is why we told here hai. Okay, so is my book in your bag means क्या मेरी किताब तुम्हारे बैग में है. Or you can say क्या मेरी किताब आपके बैग में है. Okay, आपके बैग में है. To give respect and with anger or with friend, we can say क्या मेरी किताब तेरे बैग में है. Okay, we have changed. Actually my bag, तुम्हारा बैग. Actually your bag means तुम्हारा bag, but we have changed it into तुम्हारे because of preposition में in the meaning of in. Okay, so is my book in your bag means क्या मेरी किताब तुम्हारे बैग में है. क्या मेरी किताब तुम्हारे बैग में है. You can say क्या मेरी किताब आपके बैग में है. Okay, and the next sentence is were they in that shop? Were they in that shop? So how will you say? We will say क्या वो लोग उस दुकान में थे. क्या वो लोग उस दुकान में थे. Okay, so this sentence starts with helping verb. That is why we have told here first क्या, then subject वो लोग. उस दुकान में means in that shop. So that means actually वो, but because of in preposition we have changed वो into us. Okay, So in that shop means उस दुकान में, and थे because of वो लोग plural. Okay, were they in that shop? क्या वो लोग उस दुकान में थे? Okay, क्या वो लोग उस दुकान में थे? But if you use this in the context of female, you will say क्या वो लोग उस दुकान में थी? In the context of female, if you use लोग, वो लोग, in this case you will say क्या वो लोग उस दुकान में थी? Okay, here we can say क्या वो सब. Instead of लोग we can also say here क्या वो लोग और क्या वो सब. Okay, so here that we cannot use in the meaning of वो. We cannot say क्या वो लोग वो दुकान में थे. If you say वो, it will be wrong. Okay, so क्या वो लोग उस दुकान में थे? Were they in that shop? Okay guys, and the next sentence is my key was in your car. My key was in your car. So how we'll say? We will say here मेरी चाबी तुम्हारी कार में थी. मेरी चाबी तुम्हारी कार में थी. Okay, so my key means we say मेरी चाबी. Okay, we cannot say अपनी चाबी. Why? Because this is subject here. So मेरी चाबी means my key. Because of female चाबी, we have used here मेरी चाबी. Your car means तुम्हारी कार. Okay, your car means तुम्हारी कार में means in, थी because of past. And this is female मेरी चाबी, female singular, that is why we have told here थी. So मेरी चाबी तुम्हारी कार में थी means my key was in your car. Okay, so here we cannot use in the meaning of अपना अपने अपने because there is no such context. Okay, so मेरी चाबी my key was in your car, तुम्हारी कार में थी. Okay, and the next sentence is why are you alone in my room? Why are you alone in my room? So here we will say आप मेरे कमरे में अकेले क्यों हैं? आप मेरे कमरे में अकेले क्यों हैं? आप मेरे कमरे में अकेले क्यों हैं? Okay, so आप means you, मेरा कमरा means actually my room. Here we cannot say अपने कमरे because my room means मेरा कमरा. Okay, so my room means मेरा कमरा, but because of preposition in में we have changed मेरा into मेरे and कमरा into कमरे. Okay, so in my room means मेरे कमरे में. अकेला means alone because giving respect, that is why we told here अकेले is male. Q means why है sign of tense because of R plural. So आप मेरे कमरे में अकेले क्यों हैं? Okay, if you want to say the same sentence with a female, you will say आप मेरे कमरे में अकेली. You will change अकेले into अकेली because of female क्यों हैं. Okay, so आप मेरे कमरे में अकेले क्यों हैं? If you use this sentence informally, you will say तुम मेरे कमरे में अकेले क्यों हो with male. With female, तुम मेरे कमरे में अकेली क्यों हो. And with anger or with close friend, we will say तू मेरे कमरे में अकेला क्यों है. Okay, we can also use अकेले with this. Okay, तू मेरे कमरे में अकेले क्यों है. We can also say अकेले क्यों है और तू मेरे कमरे में अकेला क्यों है. Both here we can use both. Okay guys, so why are you alone in my room means आप मेरे कमरे में अकेले क्यों हैं with male, and with female you will say आप मेरे कमरे में अकेले क्यों हैं. Here we cannot use अपने कमरे में. We have to tell मेरे कमरे में, and because of in preposition in the meaning of में we have to tell मेरे कमरे में, not मेरा कमरे में. It will be wrong. Okay guys, and the next sentence is my sister in his room. Is my sister in his room? How will you say? We will say क्या मेरी बहन उसके कमरे में है. क्या मेरी बहन उसके कमरे में है. Okay, so here we have used his room. So here sister and his room. So it means that they are different. If it means on, so here should be her room. Alright. Is my sister in her room? It will be अपने कमरे में. But he is telling in his room. So it means that he is telling for the second man or second person. Okay, so is my sister in his room means क्या मेरी बहन उसके कमरे में है. So here his room means actually uska kamra, because the word kamra it is used as male thing and here is it singular. So his room means uska kamra, but because of in the meaning of me it is changed into uske kamre mein. Here we cannot say apne kamre mein. Okay guys. The next sentence is I will be in that shop on time. I will be in that shop on time. So here we will say मैं उस दुकान में वक्त पर हूँगा. मैं उस दुकान में वक्त पर हूँगा. So here मैं हूँगा because of male. If you are female you will say मैं हूँगी. So here that shop means actually वो दुकान, but because of preposition in the meaning of in the meaning of may, we will change वो into उस. Okay, so I will be in that shop on time. मैं उस दुकान में वक्त पर हूँगा. Okay, so I will be मैं हूँगा as a female, मैं हूँगी उस दुकान में in that shop वक्त पर on time. Okay guys, so I will be in that shop on time means मैं उस दुकान में वक्त पर हूँगा. मैं उस दुकान में वक्त पर हूँगा as a female, मैं उस दुकान में वक्त पर हूँगी. Okay. And the next sentence is they will be in this playground after 4 o'clock. So how will you say this sentence? This sentence you will say वो लोग 4 बजे के बाद इस खेल के मैदान में होंगे. वो लोग 4 बजे के बाद इस खेल के मैदान में होंगे. So here this playground means actually यह खेल का मैदान. Here actual meaning is यह खेल का मैदान, but because of in preposition may we have changed ये into is. Okay. So in this playground means इस खेल के मैदान में. But if you say in this playground as यह खेल के मैदान में, it will be wrong. Okay, so you have to tell they will be in this playground. वो लोग इस खेल के मैदान में होंगे. Here होंगे because of male plural. 4 बजे के बाद after 4 o'clock. So after 4 o'clock means 4 बजे के बाद. Every time after 4 o'clock 4 बजे के बाद. After means के बाद, o'clock means बजे and 4 means 4. So after 4 o'clock means 4 बजे के बाद. Okay guys, so they will be in this playground after 4 o'clock means वो लोग 4 बजे के बाद इस खेल के मैदान में होंगे. वो लोग 4 बजे के बाद इस खेल के मैदान में होंगे. We cannot say यह खेल के मैदान because of in preposition. Okay guys, and the next sentence is they are in their offices. They are in their offices. So here we will say वो सब अपने दफ्तरों में हैं. वो सब अपने दफ्तरों में हैं. So here we have told here their offices means अपने दफ्तर. अपने दफ्तर. Okay. Their actual meaning is उनका दफ्तर, but it has additional meaning that is अपना, अपने and अपने, and because there is preposition and also they are talking about their own offices, that is why we have told here अपने दफ्तरों में. And here we have used अपने दफ्तरों because the word office in the meaning of दफ्तर plural here. Okay, so they are in their offices means वो सब अपने दफ्तरों में हैं, and here we have used है because of वो सब plural. Okay, you can say also वो लोग, वो सब और वो लोग अपने दफ्तरों में हैं. Okay, but if you say they are in their offices in the meaning of वो सब उनके दफ्तरों में हैं, so it means that they are not in their own offices but they are in others' offices. But here the context is that they are in their own offices. Okay guys, and the next sentence is I am busy with my work. I am busy with my work. How will you say? We will say मैं अपने काम में मशगूल हूँ. मैं अपने काम में मशगूल हूँ. Okay, so here my work means actually मेरा काम. My work means actually मेरा काम, but here he means his own work. So my work refers to the same subject I. That is why we told here अपना काम. Okay, but because of preposition with may, we have changed अपना into अपने according to the rule. So my work means actually मेरा काम, but because this refers to the same person subject I, that is why we told here अपना काम. and because of preposition we change apna into apne because the word काम it is used as male thing. Okay, so I am busy with my work means मैं अपने काम में मशगूल हूँ. If you say मैं मेरे काम में मशगूल हूँ, it will be understood but it will be wrong sentence. If you say मैं मेरे काम में मशगूल हूँ, it will be okay but it will be wrong sentence. And if you say मैं अपना काम में मशगूल हूँ, it will be also wrong. You have to tell अपने not अपना. Okay, so मैं अपने काम में मशगूल हूँ, मैं अपने काम में मशगूल हूँ. Okay, and the next sentence is he and his father are in that car. He and his father are in that car. So how will you say? You will say वो और उसके अब्बू उस कार में हैं. वो और उसके अब्बू उस कार में हैं. So here his father we have used उसके अब्बू, not अपने अब्बू. Why? Because his father has been used here as a subject. He and his father both are subject in this sentence. Okay, and there is no any preposition. So here we will say वो और उसके अब्बू. If you say वो और अपने अब्बू, it will be wrong. Okay, and also that car means actually वो car, but because of in में we have changed उस. We cannot say वो कार में. Okay, in that car उस कार में. If you say वो कार में, it will be wrong. And है because of plural he and his father, वो और उसके अब्बू. Okay, so he and his father are in that car. वो और उसके अब्बू उस कार में है. वो और उसके अब्बू उस कार में हैं. Okay, the next sentence is she and her mother are in the hospital. She and her mother are in the hospital. How will you say? You will say वो और उसकी अम्मी अस्पताल में हैं. वो और उसकी अम्मी अस्पताल में है. Here we will say her mother as उसकी अम्मी, not अपनी अम्मी, because her mother has been used as subject here. Okay, वो और उसकी अम्मी means he and her mother. अस्पताल में means in the hospital. are means है. Okay, so she and her mother are in the hospital means वो और उसकी अम्मी अस्पताल में है. वो और उसकी अम्मी अस्पताल में हैं. Okay guys, and the next sentence is she is in the room with her brother. She is in the room with her brother. How we will say? We will say वो अपने भाई के साथ कमरे में है. वो अपने भाई के साथ कमरे में है. So here अपने भाई because of her brother, own brother. Okay, so her brother actually means उसका भाई, but because her brother refers to the subject she in the meaning of own and also there is preposition, that is why we told here with her brother अपने भाई. Okay, and here with means के साथ, because of preposition के साथ we change अपना भाई into अपने भाई. Okay, so she is in the room with her brother means वो अपने भाई के साथ कमरे में है. वो अपने भाई के साथ कमरे में है. If you say she is in the room with her brother, वो उसके भाई के साथ, so it means that you are talking about other brother, not with her own brother, but maybe there is other female and she is with her brother. Okay, but if you refers to the same person, you will say वो अपने भाई के साथ कमरे में है. You cannot say वो उसके भाई के साथ कमरे में. It will be wrong, misunderstood. Okay, so if you mean to the same person, her own brother, in this case you will say अपने भाई के साथ. But if you mean someone else, in this case you will say उसके भाई के साथ. Okay, so this is the homework and I hope that it was clear for you and you have solved the homework.
And now the today's lesson. First meeting. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum means hi. Wa alaikum assalam means hello. Assalamu alaikum literally means peace be upon you, but we use this in the meaning of hi. And wa alaikum assalam means peace be upon you too, but we use this in the meaning of hello or hi, etc. आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं ठीक हूँ. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm fine अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. और आप कैसे हैं? और आप कैसे हैं? और आप कैसे हैं? And how are you? मैं भी ठीक हूँ. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. I'm fine too. भाई आपका नाम क्या है? भाई आपका नाम क्या है? भाई आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name, brother? Or you can say आपका नाम means your name please. मेरा नाम फारिस है. मेरा नाम फारिस है. मेरा नाम फारिस है. My name is Faris. और आपका means and yours, or you can say और आपका नाम means and your name, and you can say this one in other words. और आपका क्या नाम है? और आपका क्या नाम है? And what is your name? So you can say और आपका नाम. Likewise और आपका क्या नाम है? मेरा नाम हबीब है. मेरा नाम हबीब है. My name is हबीब. भाई आप कहाँ से हैं? भाई आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from, brother? मैं इमारत से हूँ. मैं इमारत से हूँ. I'm from Emirate. और आप? और you can say और आप कहाँ से हैं? Means and you, or and where are you from? मैं नई दिल्ली से हूँ. मैं नई दिल्ली से हूँ. मैं नई दिल्ली से हूँ. I'm from New Delhi. भाई आप क्या करते हैं? भाई आप क्या करते हैं? What do you do, brother? मैं तालिब इल्म हूँ. मैं तालिब इल्म हूँ. I am a student. और आप? Or you can say और आप क्या करते हैं? और आप क्या करते हैं? So और आप means and you, and और आप क्या करते हैं means and what do you do? मैं एक मुदर्रिस हूँ. मैं एक मुदर्रिस हूँ. आई एम अ टीचर. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. नाइस टू मीट यू. मुझे भी. और यू कैन से मुझे भी आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. सेम हियर. फिर मिलेंगे इंशाअल्लाह. फिर मिलेंगे इंशाअल्लाह. सी यू सून. ठीक है इंशाअल्लाह. ठीक है इंशाअल्लाह. ओके इंशाअल्लाह.